What's up, guys? I just made a video review of the GymGlow trailer, and I forgot that I have race ramps in here, and I just want to do a real quick review of how awesome these things are. So these are for lowered cars. They work pretty nice and easy. They're super light, so I'll just take one out. So they're super light. They pretty much allow you to get low vehicles in any trailer, or you can, use them to change the oil or whatnot. They're this super dense foam, and they lock into place like this.
God damn you. I thought he could use it.
So there, guys, you can see how they go in, but it allows you to have an even pitch, allowing you to easily get up into a trailer with a low vehicle. We use it for the 350R and the Porsche. Pretty much it raises like this, and you can just pull it back, and you can pretty much see how it is. Let me push it forward. There you go. And there you go. So it goes really gradual, allowing you to get any vehicle into, a trailer or anything. They also make them so you can do oil changes, which is pretty nice. But they're super light, and they're rated for, right here, made in the USA, Brute Technologies. Pat at www.brutetechnologies.com/IP. 1,500 pounds. So super nice, lightweight, durable. It's like this really cool texture, but it's great if you're having trouble getting a low car into a trailer, or up to something, or even if you want to just change the oil. They make some with indents, so you can just park it in there. They also make them for so you don't get flat spots in your tires. Just different types. It depends what you really want, but it's a must-have if you have a low vehicle. I'm just going to keep this review short for you guys. It's just a nice addition to the garage to have these things. They're worth every penny. I forget what I paid. I'll put the item on Amazon in the description, so any of you guys can pick these things up. They come in a big box, but like I said, they're super lightweight. You can move them very easily. Storage is kind of iffy with these because they are very big, but they're very light, so you can stow them away. Maybe put them in the rafter in your garage, or maybe put them in the trailer while you're not using them. But yeah, so that's the race ramps review, guys. Hopefully this helps you guys. If you're looking at these, I strongly suggest picking these up if you are having the same issue that we had. Without these, you can see that this pitch is too great, so we couldn't pull any low cars like the GT350R in, because it would hit if we would have went all the way in right there. But with these, with the race ramps, it changes the pitch to that, so it allows you to pretty much get any low car in there without scraping up the front bumper or scraping the lip. And especially if you have a carbon lip like a Ferrari or something, you really don't want to do that. So this is very awesome for preventing those things. And if you own like a towing company or a transport company, you probably already have these, or probably looking into getting a pair. And like I said, I strongly suggest them. I'm going to keep this video short, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can comment below in my in this video, and I'll get back to you guys. The link to these race ramps will be in the description below, so you guys can pick that stuff up, along with other stuff that I use, like pressure washer and all that. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.